I know you've been told working 9 to 5, 5 days a week, slowly building up your savings is the only way to financial security and freedom. And I know you don't believe in that because in reality, working 9 to 5 is just a rat race that keeps your monthly income capped and put more cheese in the pockets of your bosses. Maybe your job is not that bad and you actually enjoy it, which is great. But you still need more money to go on vacations, have the time, freedom, financial freedom to spend more time with your family and loved ones instead of working all the time and you're always tired and flat out. The fact is, you need a side hustle that is simple, easy to start, and requires little to no upfront investment. In this video, I'm going to break down that exact business model you need to start today. My name is Thabo Nhlangano, and I was in the same position as you until I discovered the Airbnb business model. I'm now an Airbnb superhost and own a portfolio of £2 million of properties which I own, and I also lease properties from landlords. These properties bring us a consistent income from Airbnb. The good thing about this model, you don't need to buy a property. You can also control a property from a landlord. You don't need large sums of money for deposits like when you purchase a house. All you need is little capital for your furniture and for your setup costs to help you get started. The systems are easy to build. You can operate this business model from anywhere in the world. You could be in Dubai having properties in the UK, or you could be in the UK having properties in Dubai. You can achieve this using my 6 steps method to run a successful Airbnb business which I've created. So number 1 will be finding your property in places like Rightmove, Zoopla, or Open Rent. Number 2 is furnish that property to the highest specification and buy the furniture at discounted prices. Number 3 is recruit a maintenance team. These are people like your cleaners, your handyman, your virtual assistants to help you in your business. Number 4 will be list your property on Airbnb and Booking.com. Number 5 will be market and get bookings. Number 6 will be systemize your operations and scale your portfolio. These steps are simple, but if it was easy, everybody will be able to do this and generate 6 figures in Airbnb. While it is possible to achieve this on your own, there are obstacles which you will be faced with, and that will cost you a lot of time and money. So for example, you'll be getting a lot of no's from landlords because you don't know what to say to them. So number 2, you can be having furniture, but you're not furnishing the properties correctly to attract the right guest. Number 3, you can have guests throwing parties and destroying your Airbnb because you don't have the right systems and processes in place. Number 4, you could be actually closed down because you don't know the rules and regulations and have the correct licenses. However, as someone who has 13 active Airbnbs, I've decided to create a community where I'll help you build a proper Airbnb business using both methods, whether you want to buy a property or whether you want to lease a property from landlords and run it as an Airbnb. I've done all these methods and I've built a portfolio of 6 owned properties worth £2 million, and I've also leased properties from landlords, bringing my portfolio to 13 properties and generating 6 figures in revenue and profit. I'm not saying this to brag, but I'm also saying you can actually secure your first Airbnb properties in the next 30 days and start pocketing £1,000 to £2,000 a month in profit. Just think about it. What will this mean to you increasing your income in this financial crisis? I think I've said enough. Why don't you hear from Fairly, my student who's generating thousands in profits each month using the 6 steps methods which I've taught you and which is taught in my community. So you joined the 10-day Airbnb crash course
That's correct.
end of last year. So what is your experience with the 10-day Airbnb crash course?
That was a brilliant course, easily accessible. I could do it from home at my own pace. It was a 10-day course, and I found that dedication, that those timelines of saying 10 days consecutive to be quite helpful because I knew I had something that I needed to do on each day. Some of them I managed to do two in a day, two modules in a day. So I finished about 8 days earlier. So it was quite informative. It is good to see things on YouTube and that. However, when it is information from somebody who has experience from completing and doing the actual work, it does make no sense when it's put in the modules that you have in your course. It was very informative, helpful, and I recommend it to others.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Thank you. Then after the 10-day Airbnb crash course, then you decided you wanted to do the one-to-one consultation. And we did the one-to-one consultation. What was your experience with the one-to-one consultation?
I think the one-to-one sessions are special because they're those minute and powerful pointers that you need. Big questions that I'll ask you on WhatsApp when I'm stuck with anything, you're there quickly to respond, and it's been very helpful. Simple questions around they're simple now because you've told me the answer.
No, you know how to do them.
But before that, I was taught. I was like, how do I do this booking that these percentages that they're asking for? How do we go about it? How do I delete photos and things like that? And many more that are quite intrinsic in the industry. You've been able to answer me and to respond in a very timely manner and person-centered. Yourself remembering about my family, remembering about the setup of the property. It is quite handy to have somebody who has got that insight to hold your hands when you are embarking on this journey.
Okay, now awesome. Then can you share your results? So when you did the one-to-one consultation, your property was up in the market on Airbnb, Booking.com, and all these other platforms. What result did you get within 24 hours?
I had a booking of 5 nights from America.
Oh,
First night, which was awesome. Also feeling it was really crazy about. Quite excited about it, and lots of inquiries. Lots of inquiries are coming in from the listings that are on Airbnb and that. So yeah, looking forward to the journey.
That's good. Then the last question, if someone is on the fence, wants to work with me, what should be your recommendation to them?
Definitely, I would recommend someone to definitely do the training and book the consultation with Tabo. It is well worth it. You'll get your money back within 24 hours. There are some things that you need someone who has the knowledge, in-depth knowledge about the Airbnb setting up and the property business and the options that you provide. Opening the opportunities around buying better properties, buying more properties, and pros and cons, and for all that knowledge, that wealth of knowledge, the books that you read and you part with that knowledge without any selfishness and just provide that knowledge at first hand. It is worth it. I would recommend people to come to Tabo.
In my teachings, I leave no stone unturned and reveal all secrets which have helped me generate 6 figures in Airbnb profit and income. Now you have 2 choices, my friend. Click on the link below and start your journey to achieve financial freedom and time freedom using the best business model out there. Or leave this video and carry on how life is for you and how life will be for you. Click on the link below and I will see you on the inside.